welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. So I'm going to go ahead and restyle this wig. So I'm just taking the braids out from the previous install. If you want to see me do that style, watch my previous video and then come back to this video. Looking a little too crunchy for me, so I had to go ahead and wash that out with some water and leave-in conditioner so I can start fresh on that side. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and part my hair down the middle. I parted my hair down the middle. I'm now going to part a small section out for my first ponytail. And I'm also going to make sure that I have enough hair to cover my tracks in the back. I'm not going to mold down my ponytail yet until I make sure that this is actually how I want my ponytail to be. And the same thing that I did to the other side, I'm going to do to this side. Once I got everything in the position that I wanted to go, I'm going to use my edge wax to lay everything down and use my hot comb to make sure that everything is flat. After I finish using my hot comb to get everything flat, I'm going to spray my even holding spray so everything can lay and stay in the position that I want it to lay in. everything that we do on one side, we want to follow the same steps on the other side. And now we're going to focus on our ponytail. So I'm going to use my edge wax to wax everything into place with the ponytail and then hot comb it all together. And then we're just going to put our ponytail back in. You can use your even spray, but honestly, you really don't need an even spray to wax it. Did exactly what I needed to do. Subscribe to my channel, babe. What are you doing? Subscribe and become one of my besties. So the pieces that was laying up, I'm just gonna lay those back down. I'm just gonna apply one thin layer of glue because I really don't plan on keeping this wig on that long because I already had it on for a week and I'm honestly getting tired of it. So I'm just gonna put one thin layer of glue. Okay, y'all, so I'm not sure what happened with the rest of my footage, but I have already crimped my ponytail, and now I'm going to section off a piece of my hair and lightly spray it with my Got To Be Free spray and comb it all together. And I'm going to be using my crimp iron. I got this crimp iron from Sally's for like, I think it was $80 to $100 years ago. And not too much on my crimp iron, y'all. My crimp iron been doing what it has to do, been getting the job done, okay, as you can see. I press and hold my crimp iron for about 10 seconds. And then once that's done, I start the crimp iron where the last crimp ended. And just keep working my way down until I'm finished. The key to getting soft crimps is to lightly spray it with the Got To Be. Now, if you want some hard crimps, then you would just like heavily spray it. But me, I prefer soft crimps, so we're gonna lightly spray that with Got To Be. Now we're going to start on our baby hairs, and I'm going to give y'all a full detailed video on baby hairs. I'm just waiting for my pencil flat iron to come in because I lost my pencil flat iron, don't know what happened to it. So when that comes in, I'm really going to give y'all a detailed video on baby hairs, so stay tuned. And I'm going to add my Fantasia heat protectant just to give my crimps some shine. And I'm going to use my mascara just to clean up my part a little bit. So the style is completed. I just want to thank y'all so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for my next video dropping next week.